Although we think we're done, we actually have a few more little parts to put a finish on. This should take just a few minutes here. Here. Remember these? Camera mount, our pivots, our slide adjuster, and this bezel for around the camera. Now I've put some gaffer's tape. It's white cloth tape on here, and this will be removed. This is just to protect the adhesive right now. But what we got to do is we got to make it black. So I'm gonna reach over here, get me a little paper to work on, nothing special. That should be it. And this one, oh, I've already done this one, so that's it. That's our pieces. We're all done with that. We're all done. Yeah, maybe not quite. Let me get a little more. There we go. We're all done. Well, there's nothing left but to put it all back together for the last time. So let's get started. We'll start off with this piece. Let me see. This is the black painted frame. Okay, about like this. And what we want to do is we want to remove the backing tape. There we go. We got it started. We'll pull it off. It exposes the adhesive. There. We got our monitor. Now, let's take the hardware out. Now, what we want to do is take this film off of here. Like that. It's pretty clean. Set this off to the side and we start right here. Now what we want to do is put some screws up through it. Now, we want to take the top. I want to take this piece. Now, and we're going to place it over the screws. There we go. Very good. Then we take the monitor. We'll place that over the screws. Don't always cooperate. There. And put the nuts on. Now we flip it over. We've got to touch that down to the screen. Very good. And finally, tighten the screws. And that's it. That's completed. Got nice bleed, can't see the edges. That part's done. Let's get our next piece. We got this. And we're going to need some hardware. There we go, some nuts and bolts. And let's just get some of the fundamental pieces put in first. get, I like these. All right, this guy. This power plug. Let's put in the power supply next, which would be next would be the computer. Here we go. And there we go. That's pretty good. Now, we plug this power in here, like that. But I want to make this more like an iPad, where it's self-powering. So I went and picked up a lithium battery here. And I didn't want to get a crappy one, so I got one that was very good, as you can see here. Exactly. Oh well, you know, this should work good. Now, something strategic. Now, what's the idea? The idea is we turn it on. Very good. Yep, there it goes. It's perfect. That's that part. One more to go. One more to go. Oh, yeah. Let's shut it off. This. What happened? We just lost the camera. Take this, we can place this out here right now. Take one of these. Now, I covered these with an aluminum because I didn't like the way they looked black. It's just put a little foil around this one. That's the entire project right there. 8 months ago, I said the following: I'm going to need a teleprompter. And since then, I've been working towards this. It's taken 14 episodes, 1.2 terabytes of raw footage, countless hours of video editing, producing over 3 hours and 20 minutes of edited video. There's a lot of footage on the cutting room floor. This has been a learning experience for me, not just in making a teleprompter, but in making videos as well. I'm using whatever is at hand to make these videos, and much of my equipment is over 10 years old. They strain to keep up with the bit rates and capacities of more modern, better suited equipment. I believe in making do with what you have, and if you really need it and don't have it, make it or improvise it. This teleprompter is not dirt cheap, but it's not expensive either. You can spend thousands of dollars on professional equipment, but the financial benefits of YouTube preclude wasting money like this. And on a fixed income like I have, it would be totally insane. I have included links to STL files for the fabricated parts, and a parts list for this project in the description below. And the sound's recording? Yeah, the sound's recording, okay. There's my space. So, at this point, you might ask, what's next? Well, I don't know. I don't have a plan or a clue, but something will come to mind. I don't know if I'm going to tackle another complex build like this one right away. It's a lot of extra work. I mean, a lot of work. Maybe I'll try some of those talking head type videos, you know, like vlogs. Those are single camera, simple setup, quick and easy to make. The only thing about them is you have to have something to say that's worth saying. I don't want content just for content's sake. I've seen enough of that already. I don't want to make this a political soapbox. What's the old saying? If you want to get along, never talk religion or politics. Basically, I just want to share my existence. Just little snippets of it, and I want it to be honestly produced, and I really need to tighten up my production licks, like, writing a good script. It's the production aspects of video creation that currently interest me the most. It's a fascinating art. Who knows? Maybe next episode will mark a new start for me. I have a lifetime of experience and expertise in many technical fields and artistic fields. I know. I could dramatize true. Well, maybe mainly true incidents of my life that would show you. I don't know. So until next time, like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications of new videos. I feel funny saying this, but YouTube tells me that this is something I should do to promote my channel. As far as the next episode, seeing that this is Busted Junk Studio, anything is possible, right? I mean, nothing's been cast in concrete yet. So, see you real soon.